Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your brand identity with Canva step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Canva account or creating a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, start by selecting a new project that suits your brand needs. Choose a template that resonates with your brand's personality. Consider your brand colors and fonts as you browse through options. Customize the chosen template by changing the colors to match your brand palette. If you don't have a palette, you can create one using the color wheel or upload your own images for inspiration. Next, select appropriate fonts that align with your brand's voice. Canva offers a variety of font pairings. Experiment until you find one that feels right. Add your logo to the design by uploading it from your files. If you don't have a logo yet, consider using Canva's logo maker to design one. Ensure your logo works well with your color scheme and overall layout. Incorporate brand elements, like icons or photos, that reflect your brand values. Use Canva's extensive library to find these elements, keeping in mind your brand's tone. Consider adding a tagline or message that clearly communicates your brand's mission. Position your text strategically within the design for balance and clarity. Review your design for consistency in style, font usage, and color application. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it in your desired format. Now, start applying this optimized brand identity across all your marketing channels. Maintain consistency in visuals, including social media posts, business cards, and website graphics. Regularly revisit and update your brand identity in Canva as your business evolves. Remember, a strong brand identity will resonate with your audience and enhance your market presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.